What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars, and thanks for joining me for another Sunday Stock Talk. Hope you guys are doing great. So we're going to be doing a lifetime Discord giveaway at the end of this video, a $50 cash giveaway. Plus, I have a $500 cash holiday giveaway coming up next week. So make sure you guys are subscribed and make sure you like in order to be eligible. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go through my top picks. We're going to do a market outlook. I'm going to talk to you about what I did last week and what I'm thinking about going forward for the future. And I'm just going to really spend a lot of time with you guys on fibs, and hopefully this can add some value to you guys. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. We're going to start off today with NVIDIA. Okay. Because I entered into some leap positions here, and we're going to start off with NVIDIA. So let's go ahead and full screen this right here. And you can see right here, guys, I entered into the January 15th, 2027 130 calls when we tagged this 618 level right here, 129.56. So this one I've been talking to you guys about for a long time, and we had the entry, finally was able to get it, and we held it multiple times. So there was a lot of opportunity to enter into this play. We have the golden zone entry from the 50 all the way down to the 786. But I prefer to enter on the 618. That is a little bit better of a deal, especially when you're getting calls. So 129.56. I have all the way till 2027. I do feel like NVIDIA can lead the market into next year, especially since they've been lagging. You can see off of highs, NVIDIA has pulled back about 15%. So those are the times where I love to play the NVIDIAs, the Teslas of the world. When we're pulling back 10, 15, 20%, that's a good opportunity for me to look for calls, especially leaps, because they're going to be relatively cheaper than buying them up here. Okay. And with the Fibonacci measured move projection here, the 100% measured move is right here at 190. The 160 area is your typical simple target to reach. And then the long-term picture, 190, and then eventually 200. Okay. So that's my play. Hopefully NVIDIA 200 by 2027. That would be great for me on these options. And if we look at the intrinsic value, if we get to 200 on these, right? So these are the 130, right? So if we get to 200 by January 15, 2027, let's say we expire on January 15, right? So these are going to be worth 70, okay, at the very minimum, if we get there by 2027. So 70, it wouldn't be a double, but it would still be good profit considering that we have so long out. Obviously, I would love for us to get there by 2026. That would be really amazing. But if you think about it, we have a long time. You know, we basically have 2025 and 2026, 2 full years on this play. So let me just go ahead into the Discord here, and let me just show you that we call this out in real time. The stocks room right here, guys. So I just want to make sure you guys know that I post this in real time. So this was the original play on NVIDIA, 129.56. And then from there, I can show you the fill. So filled, I'm in the 130 calls January 2027. And this was on the 17th of December on Tuesday. Okay. And then I added, I personally added again on these plays here with a different expiry. But the leaps itself is the core position that we're looking at here. Okay. So this room, by the way, guys, for the holiday season here, I'm doing a deal. This stocks room where all my stock plays are, it's only $100 for life. If you're interested, I'll keep that open for the next 48 hours. Just go to tradingwars.com. Okay, I'll refresh it for you. Click on the stock options trading, and then you can buy this book for $100. It says it comes with 1 month for free, and I'll automatically upgrade you to lifetime. Okay. So if you want to come and get the lifetime access, we have a good community of Fibonacci traders. We're really just looking to find every fib on everything, really. Okay. So the next one we're going to talk about is Tesla. So I'm going in order of what I think, you know, is important, what I think is going to give you guys the best value. So Tesla, right? So you guys know I entered into these March 21st, 400 calls, 2025. And these calls at my peak, guys, I took them from 26,011 to over $100. It was actually over 100. It was 111. And they came back on me this week with this 3 candle pullback. Okay. But my game plan here, so the original entry was this 329.36, which was let me go ahead and readjust the anchors here, guys. So the anchors are off. So the low of this candle 309.22, and then the high 361.93. Let's go ahead and double click this, and let's just type this in here, 361. 93. Okay, so here we go. So 329.36, this was the original entry I shared with you guys here on YouTube and X. And this one has been nothing short of a miracle. Like, this is the best, this is actually the best we can see from a Fibonacci in such a short time. We come in on the 618, we hold it, we put in a little hammer bar right there, and then boom, straight back up. Okay, so now that we're pulling back here, I'm looking for the low 400s to add more to this position. So the low 400s, I'll keep you guys posted on what I take and the alert. Make sure you guys are subscribed, and make sure you follow me on Twitter. I'm going to be doing spaces as well. So NVIDIA, Tesla, let's go on to Amazon. So Amazon right here, this 222.33, we held the 618. You can see we pushed a little bit lower. If I put on the full here, you'll see we tagged the 786, and then we popped up from the 786. We popped up 2%. If we look at the pullback from highs on Amazon, we're looking at a pullback of approximately 5%, and that's my sweet spot, right? So I love to take these pullbacks on big names like Amazon, Google, etc. 5%. On the more volatile like Tesla, NVIDIA, we're looking at 10% plus, but really nice 5% pullback on the 786, guys. The algorithms that took this play right here are already up so much. They're coming in on the 786. They can risk off of 90%. They can risk off of the swing low here, and they're already up right here. You see that, guys? So these levels, these Fibonacci levels are just so amazing, because I'm going to show you on futures as well. When the algos are hitting it, guys, it's like they're just waiting on those levels. And I absolutely love it. In my opinion, that's what I see in the market. Okay. Next, Google doing the same thing right here, holding that 618. Let's go ahead and double click on this, and let's go ahead and put the full on. So 786, yet again, you guys see that 786 was 185.41, and we're holding that. So with Google and Amazon, the reason I'm showing you guys, I already have existing leaps. I have existing positions on them. And this was the second ad for last week. If you guys missed the original play, this was the ad. So we're going to see next week how we react again. Are we going to consolidate in this area, in this golden zone from the 5786? If we can consolidate in the zone, then we're going to be looking for another potential entry. Okay, so Microsoft still has room for its 618, 424.90. I am watching that level very closely. And those are my top plays, guys. AMD, where's AMD? AMD, I'm so happy that I've been avoiding this one. I keep telling you guys, every time there's a rally, it's getting sold off, because I'm seeing every time we get a rally, we tag the Fibonacci levels, and I keep seeing a rejection. And we have a new one this week right here. Now, if we come off of this swing high and we bring it to this low right here, you could see, look at that, guys. Every time we're getting around to the 50, the 618 Fibonacci, AMD just keeps rejecting. That's why I've been avoiding AMD. People keep asking me, Rich, what do you think about AMD? Now that this swing low, there's a swing low. The swing low is broken. I'm not even interested at all on this name. Okay. Let's quickly just take a look at Apple. Apple had a picture perfect 618. Oops. Picture perfect 618 last week. We came into the 618, we held it, and then we pushed up. This is as good as you're going to get for one single candle with the 618, filling the 618 and then pushing right up. I mean, is that not amazing, guys? Look at the power of Fibonacci. That's just beautiful. Netflix. Okay, Netflix holding the 618 as well. So we have so many 618 setups out there. There's so many opportunity for you guys. And I highly suggest, watch the fib levels and just see how they're reacting if you want to take a shot, right? Remember, your swing low is your maximum risk if you're using Fibonacci strictly, or if you're doing options, you're playing lottos, you still have a good opportunity there. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, let's go into SPX. So I'm going to show you the analysis from the futures chart. So I entered these SPX calls last week. Okay. So let me just show you guys this right here. So I entered these. Okay. These are the January 17, 6,000 calls. I paid $5,222. I'm up $1,400, $1,500 on these basically. Okay. So now I'm going to talk to you about the futures market. Let's take a look at that. Okay. So what I want to show you guys, this is really crazy. This is going to blow your mind here. So we're going to go to the 4-hour chart. Okay. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hit the replay, and I'm going to walk you guys through what happened last week. Okay. So here is Sunday. So we're going to hit the replay. Here's Sunday. Okay. So the market was everything was looking normal, right? We had our, higher highs, higher lows, etc. Normal. Okay. And what we had here, if we take our Fibonacci tool from the low to the high. Okay, I'm going to show you guys this. Let's put on the basic here. Is we had this 618 holding multiple times. So I'm going to show you what the potential is when when the Fibonacci level breaks. Okay, so we had all of this area. Where's my rectangle? I lost my rectangle. Anyways, used to be right here somewhere. So where's my rectangle? Okay, I'll just draw it then. So, oh, it's right here. Sorry, guys. So here's our 618. Okay, this was established multiple times. You could see we held it once and then we held it twice, right? So from here, watch what happens now. So Sunday, we open right there. So everything is normal. Sunday, we open. We rally. Okay. Now watch this, guys. This is very interesting. We take our Fibonacci from the high to the low. We also have a 618 short, and let's also add the 786. I've seen a lot of 786 action in this last quarter, and I think the 786 is making a comeback. Here, okay, we push down on the 618. All right. We hold the 618 again for the bulls. Look at this. Again, we rally again slightly, and then we have the FOMC. Look at this. You guys see that? So this is what happens when you have multiple 618 attempts, 1, 2, 3, and then all of this, the stop loss, okay, this is my opinion, is right here. So as soon as we break it, it just flushes. So not only did you have the FOMC stimulus, but then you have all these stop losses flooding over and over again. So where I was able to take my SPX, I'll show you guys. So I did try here. I did try on this candle. I'll show you guys what I did. So I came from this like this, and I got stopped out. Boom, right away. So I'm really happy that I actually used a stop loss, because if not, I could have just blown up. But what I did do after is I took the Fibonacci from this anchor. This is the presidential election low. Okay, boom, boom, right here. And I saw this 618 hold, and then I started getting these SPX. And then check this out now. We came down to the 786. Watch this. And then bang, here we are now. So that, my friends, is just so crazy. Every time I see it, I want to come, even if I'm not feeling well, if I'm feeling sick, even if I don't want to come out here, I just get this energy to speak to you guys about this, because I think this is so powerful, these Fibonacci levels. Why is it they run it down to the 786? Here's your 786. And then we rally. Okay, we rally 150 points. Why do they do it like that? Why? There's something to these Fibonacci's. You know, this is where the algorithms are looking for. And now, if I come up, this is the FOMC candle, come off the high to low. Look right here. Look what we have right here, my friends. 618 rejection coming in. So we're not in the clear. The market's not in the clear right now. We have the bears are here. They're here. Look, they were here, and they're here again. And the bulls are here as well. So what I'm seeing here is a potential for huge moves. Okay, so make sure you guys are following. Make sure you guys subscribe. We can have some once in a lifetime opportunities here, and I really mean it when I say that, once in a lifetime. Okay, so try your best to come out. Make sure you guys come out and support the channel. And then I'm giving you all my plays for free. I gave you all these Fibonacci. It's all for free. Okay. So the only reason you would want to come in the Discord, you want to watch me trade live, or you want to see my live positions. But the fibs, the patterns, they're there for everyone in the world to take. It's okay. All right. So let's continue now. So there we go. So I just gave you guys the market update. So we're stuck in between these two fibs. I am long SPX here. I use SPX because I wanted to get into some options, and I didn't want to use SPY because I already had some SPY plays out there. So let's do the lifetime Discord giveaway. And then I explained SPX, the pattern. We talked about the fibs. I gave you guys my top picks. I talked about the $100 lifetime deal. Just go to tradingwars.com. Make sure you guys secure that. I might be increasing the price next year because we already have over 1,000 members. So, you know, I wanted to get to 1,000. But anyways, let's continue. So the winner of the lifetime Discord from the last video, this was the video last Sunday. The winner is, I already had the winner here. Where are they? T Smooth 504 is the winner. Okay, T Smooth If you're watching this video, email me rich@tradingwars.com. You're the winner of the lifetime Discord giveaway. This video you guys are watching right now, I'm going to do another giveaway. So make sure you guys comment Fib King below or comment anything you like, and make sure you're like and subscribe. Okay, I'm almost at 100 lifetime Discord giveaways. We've made a lot of giveaways this year. We've done a lot, and also a lot of cash giveaways. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do a $50 cash giveaway for the Discord members. So let's go ahead here. So you guys buy the book for $100, and every month, sometimes twice a month, I do a $50 cash giveaway to members. Okay, so everyone is entered here, and it's a good, you put in 100, you might have a chance to win back your money. I try my best to just keep paying things forward as much as I can, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. I hope that we can all keep helping each other out, whether it's through knowledge, whether it's through capital, whatever. We're the Fibonacci Society. This is the Fibonacci Society. This is what we do. We focus on fibs. We're all like-minded. We're all trying to achieve greatness. Okay. So the winner of the $50 cash giveaway is one second here, KJ right here. So I've had a KJ picked. So I'm going to put right here at everyone, winner of $50 cash giveaway. Please drop a like, and we will do another one next week. Okay, so I'm going to do another one next week. So just DM me for your prize. All right, boom. All right, guys. So there we go. So some giveaways, and don't forget, we got the $500 big one coming up. So that's a one I want to do for Christmas, for the holiday season. All right. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys like those setups. Let's get out there and let's make some money. There's a lot of opportunity. There's a lot of room for me to improve. There's a lot of room for all of us to get better. Go to my website, tradingwars.com. Go to the resources page and get started. Okay. Here are my 5 day trading university lessons that you guys can read. They're completely free. Just click on it. You don't even need to put in your email. Those are the basics. Watch the videos and then download the checklist as well as the journal. That's all for free, guys. Okay. Thank you so much, and hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your evening. And I will see you again next week. Take care.